Hey guys, back at the doghouse. We'll just continue on with the installation of the rad. Hang tight. Oh, fuck. Yeah, now I'm in trouble. Oh, jeez. That was close. Got my hand jammed under the rad. Between the rad and the frame. That's why you shouldn't work alone, boys and girls. Something is not right. Okay, we're going to try to put the hood back on for the fourth time, but this time I have Keith helping me, so it should go a little easier.
You think?
Not really. Maybe we should use a crane. That way it comes up even. Okay. Just hang on. There. Okay, go down. Perfect. Sure.
Long short. That goes in there. Drops out of gear. Okay, on. It's in crooked. That was easy.
We got our block back. We'll probably put the things back on there too because I'm not going to paint right now. Just clean it up. Okay, So anyway, next we're going to do the interior, guys, and Frank wanted to know about the interior because he wants to build one the same as mine. So I'll go through the interior step by step as to how it's made, and give Frank an idea of what he can do with his Fargo. So anyway, stick around, guys. We're going to switch these brackets around, and then we're going to do the interior. Well, it's looking like a truck now. Got the hood on. Had a little bit of trouble with the mechanism of it, but we got her. Put the emblems on tomorrow, I guess, or the next day. But yeah, I like it. So I'll wrap this video up. Keith shut the lights off, so I guess last call.
Last call.
Yeah, last call. So anyway, thanks for hanging around, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Yeah, the horn works, lights work, got the hood on.
Got it hooked up today?
Yeah, we got the horn hooked up today. So I got to make a, yeah, there she goes.
The hood works.
The hood works, locks down,
Good to go.
good to go. So anyway, thanks, guys. So anyway, get it to your shop, do some work. Springs around the corner. Spring's not already here. Got to get the cars on the old road. We've got the old cars on the new road, one or the other. But anyway, guys, thanks a lot. See you in the next one. Bye now.